In the heart of the forest, Jane begins her adventure by identifying edible mushrooms, their earthy aroma filling the air. With a portable grill, she skillfully combines fresh herbs and wild greens to create a vibrant salad, showcasing the wild flora's flavors. As dusk sets in, she prepares a savory stew using foraged vegetables and freshly caught fish, cooking over an open flame that dances against the darkening sky. The warmth of the fire not only cooks her meal, but also brings a sense of community with fellow adventurers gathering around. This culinary journey reminds us it's not just about survival, it's about savoring the beauty of nature through unique home-cooked meals.